Hi, my dear lovely friends. Today I'm gonna share with you how we can create a web page through Notepad and VS Code software. You can easily download the VS Code software by Visual Studio Code official website. This is a streamlined code editor with support for development operations like debugging, task running, and version control. I will put the link in a description box. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and search for Notepad. Follow my steps. Type HTML tag to start the web page. You can watch my previous video to learn about basics of HTML. Head tag used for creating the head section of the web page. We can give a title to the web page by title tag. Section of the web page. You can give a header tag for creating the headline. If you don't have an idea about this tag, you can watch my previous video. We use center tag for align center. We can change font type by font face. You can easily get different font types by Microsoft Word. Choose your favorite font type. Simply cut it and paste here. You can give a color to your font by this attribute. Going to add an image to our web page by AMG tag. Remember, this attribute is src, not scr. You can browse your image and copy its link address and paste it here. Now add a caption to your image. can use p-tag to add a paragraph to our web page. These are the information that I collected from the internet. You can also customize the paragraph's font by above tags. Now you can end the web page by closing body tag and HTML tag. This is very important. You should save this as .html. Otherwise, the web page will not work. Give a double click to open. This is our final output. You can see the image here in its original form. If you want to change this, you have to go inside the img tag and customize it as you want. Give width and height as you want. And also you can give a border and align it as you want. Remember to resave it. Now go to your browser and refresh it. This is what it looks like in the end. You can learn how to develop a web page using VS Code in part 2 of this video. See you soon!